To find food, I sweep my beak back and forth in the mud and shallow water. I like to eat frogs, shellfish, seaweed, and small fish. Toucan. I am a toucan. My huge and colorful beak is actually very light because it's full of air pockets. I eat fruit, seeds, insects, and eggs. My beak helps me to reach fruit while I sit in rainforest trees. I have two claws that point forward and two that point backward to help me hold on to branches. Many of us have weird beaks. Sometimes they help us to catch or eat food. Sometimes they just look weird.